Welcome back to Genwheels, the channel where we explore the most advanced and powerful jets of the modern world. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting new aircraft designed for the next generation of U.S. Air Force pilots, the T-7A Red Hawk 2025. This incredible jet isn't just another aircraft, it's a symbol of progress, technology, and the future of American aviation. From its stunning design to its cutting-edge performance, the T-7A represents a new era in training and innovation. Let's take off into the details of what makes this jet so special, and we'll also talk about its 2025 price and why it's becoming such a big deal in the aviation world. The T-7A Red Hawk is a product of Boeing and Saab, two of the most respected names in aerospace. It was developed as a replacement for the aging T-38 Talon, which has trained American pilots for more than 60 years. The Air Force needed something modern, safer, and more efficient, and the T-7A is exactly that. It's a jet trainer that bridges the gap between basic flight instruction and the highly advanced fighters like the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. The Red Hawk was designed from the ground up using digital engineering, which made it possible to develop, test, and build it faster and more efficiently than traditional methods. When you first look at the T-7A Red Hawk, you can instantly feel the modern design influence. It's sleek, compact, and perfectly balanced for both performance and maneuverability. The sharp nose, swept wings, and powerful single-engine setup make it look like a miniature fighter jet, because that's exactly what it is. The aircraft's bright red tail is a tribute to the legendary Tuskegee Airmen, the first African-American fighter pilots who served during World War II. They flew aircraft with red tails, and the T-7A proudly carries that legacy forward, honoring both history and innovation. Under the hood, the T-7A Red Hawk packs serious power. It's equipped with a single General Electric F-404 engine, the same type used in the F/A-18 Hornet, producing around 17,700 pounds of thrust. That gives the Red Hawk excellent acceleration, high-speed performance, and the ability to handle complex maneuvers that prepare pilots for frontline fighters. The jet can reach speeds over Mach 1, which means it's capable of supersonic flight, a huge step forward for a trainer aircraft. This makes the training experience far more realistic, bridging the gap between learning and combat readiness. Inside the cockpit, the T-7A is pure 21st century technology. The layout features large, high-resolution digital displays, a fully modern flight control system, and advanced avionics similar to those found in fifth-generation fighters. It's designed to give students the same feel and experience they'll have when they eventually move on to jets like the F-35. The side-stick control, digital interface, and customizable screens make the cockpit not only efficient but also easier to learn on. Everything inside the jet is built with the pilot's comfort and learning curve in mind. The aircraft is also built for safety and maintainability. Boeing and Saab used a modular design, meaning many components can be replaced or upgraded easily, reducing maintenance time and costs. The digital engineering process allowed engineers to simulate and test the entire aircraft before physical production even started. This reduced development risks and ensured the final product was reliable right from the first flight. It's no exaggeration to say that the T-7A represents a new way of designing military aircraft. Another major advantage of the T-7A is its training capability. It's equipped with an advanced ground-based training system that connects pilots in simulators directly with those in the air. This creates a combined virtual and real-world training environment that's both efficient and cost-effective. Instructors can monitor performance, simulate combat situations, and provide feedback in real time. This system dramatically improves the quality of training while keeping operational costs lower than ever before. The T-7A's flight characteristics are designed to mimic those of modern fighters, meaning student pilots can practice the same kind of high-speed turns, rapid climbs, and tactical maneuvers they'll perform in combat aircraft. The jet's fly-by-wire system provides precise control, and its aerodynamic efficiency allows for smooth yet dynamic handling. For a pilot in training, that means more confidence, better skills, and a faster learning curve. Production of the T-7A Red Hawk began after a successful series of test flights and evaluations by the U.S. Air Force. The aircraft has already proven its ability to perform in demanding flight conditions, and deliveries to training bases are underway. Over 350 jets are expected to be built in the coming years, replacing the old T-38 fleet and setting a new standard for pilot training across the U.S. military. Now, let's talk about the price, one of the most discussed aspects of the T-7A program. In 2025, the estimated price of a single T-7A Red Hawk is around $19 million per jet. However, when you include development costs, training systems, and long-term support, the full program value is expected to exceed $9 billion. While that might sound expensive, it's actually a cost-effective solution when compared to developing an entirely new training system from scratch. Plus, the Red Hawk's efficiency, low maintenance costs, and long service life make it a smart investment for the Air Force. Beyond the numbers, the T-7A Red Hawk is also a symbol of innovation. It was the first Air Force jet developed using advanced 3D modeling and virtual design tools. That meant engineers could identify potential issues before physical prototypes were even built. This shortened the development timeline by years and cut costs dramatically. It also showed how the future of aircraft production can be faster, smarter, and more efficient. From a pilot's perspective, flying the T-7A is an experience that combines precision with excitement. Test pilots have described the jet as agile, responsive, and smooth, with handling characteristics that feel close to those of frontline fighters. The cockpit visibility is excellent, and the advanced avionics make it easier for trainees to understand complex flight data. All these features combine to create a learning environment that's safe, realistic, and engaging. Another aspect that makes the T-7A stand out is its international potential. Because of its performance, affordability, and modern design, it's expected that the Red Hawk will attract interest from allied nations looking for advanced trainer aircraft. Countries that already operate US-made fighters like the F-16, F-15, or F-35 will find the T-7A an ideal training platform for their pilots. In short, the T-7A Red Hawk isn't just a new jet, it's a turning point in how future pilots are trained. It's a combination of speed, technology, and smart design, built to serve the needs of modern air forces for decades to come. With its strong connection to aviation history, represented by its red tail, and its futuristic approach to flight training, the Red Hawk bridges the past and the future beautifully. As the U.S. Air Force begins full-scale training operations with the T-7A, it's clear that this aircraft will play a major role in shaping the next generation of fighter pilots. It's more than just a machine, it's a classroom in the sky, built to prepare the heroes of tomorrow. With a price tag that reflects its value and a design that reflects the future, the T-7A Red Hawk 2025 truly stands out as one of the most important aircraft of our time. Thanks for watching Genwheels. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible T-7A Red Hawk, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive into the world of aviation and technology. See you in the next video, and as always, keep your eyes on the sky.